Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to open and use the AI assistant inside Roblox Studio. This feature helps you build faster, write scripts, and get instant help directly inside the editor. First, open your Roblox Studio project. You can start a new experience or open an existing one. Either works fine. Once your project is open, go to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the galaxy icon. This is the AI Assistant toggle. Click the galaxy icon, and the AI Assistant window will appear. From here, you have two options. You can configure your MCP server if you're using advanced setups, or simply start chatting with the AI Assistant to get help directly inside Roblox Studio. You can ask it to generate scripts, fix bugs, explain code, or even help you design your game. And that's it. Now you know how to open and use the AI Assistant in Roblox Studio. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox development tips.